Hello everyone, my name is David, a lab instructor of Petroleum Systems Engineering at UFR. I have been a lab instructor for 1 year. Before joining UFR, I have 7 years hands-on experience in petroleum engineering labs. In our physical lab here, I teach undergraduate labs for courses including the reservoir fluid properties, enhanced oil recovery, well logging and formation evaluations, hydraulic fracturing, and heavy oil recovery, and so on. Our physical lab covers all core areas of petroleum engineering from underground to surface. Besides lab classes I teach here, it can also provide lab courses for reservoir engineering, drilling engineering, and production engineering, and so on. These lab classes are taught by another lab instructor, Sam Hong, in our PSE program. Now please follow me to have a look at our main equipment. This is a state-of-the-art PVT system for fundamental studies of petroleum engineering. It can be used to analyze oil and gas properties under varying conditions of pressure, temperature, and volume, such as density, viscosity, saturation pressure, formation volume factor, and GOR, etc. This is an advanced resistivity system to measure resistivity of brine and core samples. These are viscometers to measure fluid viscosities under varying speeds and to determine its rheology. This device is a goniometer, can be used to measure contact angle and surface tension. These devices are used for determining drilling mud properties like mud density, viscosity, pitch value, filtration duration, mud cake thickness, and hardness, etc. We also have other equipment like porosimeter and permeability meter. They can be used to measure porosity and permeability of core samples. Besides the equipment in the lab, we have a new outdoor hydraulic fracturing tester ready to be installed for performing rock tests. Besides physical labs, petroleum software labs can also be provided in our computer labs, such as reservoir fluid analysis, drilling design and optimization, hydraulic fracturing design and analysis, production design and optimization, UR simulation and economic analysis, and so on. In the lab, students need to understand not only how to do the experiment, but also why to do experiments and what purpose it serves for improving students' understanding of concepts, relationships, and processes they learn in lecture classes. It also provides training in observation, promotes the consideration and application of detailed information, and cultivates students' curiosity in science and engineering. This is a brief introduction of our PSE undergraduate lab. If you have interest on our lab or would like to know more about our program, please log on this website for more information. Welcome to join Petroleum Systems Engineering program at UFR. Thank you. Then release the button on the control box. Step 3 is to adjust the sliding electrode platform here. So the internal electrodes are in the center of the sample. You adjust it a little bit. Make sure it's in the center. The step 4, we can read the resistance of the core sample on the RCL meter. This is 715 and 56 ohm. Then we can write it down. Now the resistance of the core sample measurement is finished.